Once upon a time, there lived a girl named Cinderella. She stayed in a modest yet quite fancy house. She was kind and clever, but her life was miserable because of her weak stepmother and her two super mean stepsisters. Every day, she was ordered around. Cinderella, sweep the floor! Cinderella, wash the dishes! Cinderella, scrub the car tires! Yes, even the car tires had to be scrubbed.
But Cinderella was clever, just like the trickster was there in fables. She outsmarted her chores. She tied the broom to the fence so it swept by itself. The carpet is noisily on top of dirty dishes, so it sounded like someone was washing them. And as for the tar scrubbing sound, well, it was just a cat dragging a sponge made of steel wool. So, it looked like she was busy, while in reality, Cinderella was chilling, watching Korean drama, and snack on cheering.
One day, the prince announced there would be a grand and luxurious ball. Her stepmother desperately wished that one of her daughters would be chosen as the prince's wife. Every girl was allowed to attend. Her stepsisters went over the top, putting on makeup, practicing elegant laughs, and fighting over dress. Cinderella also wanted to go, but her stepmother screamed, "You, the ball? Don't even dream of it! Stay here and clean everything!" Cinderella grumbled in her room, angry at her stepmother. But then, stepmother get what she deserves. Her stepmother locked Cinderella in her room, laughing weakly. "Ha ha ha! Now the prince will only see my daughters."
But when she locked the door, it jammed. Cinderella shoved her inside quickly and locked the door from outside. And the stepmother was trapped in Cinderella's room. She screamed for help, her voice gradually sounding like a squeaky trapped mouse, super annoying. Meanwhile, Cinderella walked out calmly, waving goodbye. At the palace, with the help of her very good mother, Cinderella arrived in a magical gown that changed color according to her mood. Everyone was amazed. The prince immediately invited her to dance.
Her stepsister tried to join in, but one slipped and crashed into the food table. Spaghetti sauce spattered everywhere. The mice, birds, and rabbits along at them while matching crayons and carrots.
Back at the house, the stepmother's steel trap was going crazy. She heard the cat singing a bad kind of song, which only made her angrier. She tried to use whatever was in Cinderella's room to break free. When she finally escaped, she ran to the palace. But it was too late. Cinderella had already become the prince's favorite. Even worse, the palace guard thought she was a mad woman because she smelled like wet socks. She was kicked out and given the title of the most trusted woman in the world.
In the end, Cinderella married the prince and lived happily ever after. Her two stepsisters were punished by the prince forced toward us flames cleaners for wearing the royal flash. Meanwhile, the stepmother lived in misery forever, known by everyone as the woman who was good what she deserved.